तपाईँ हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ मिक्स मार्क्स इन्फो युट्युब च्यानल. प्लिज सब्सक्राइब फर मोर भिडियो, मोर इन्फर्मेसन, मोर इन्टरटेनमेन्ट. Oh, hi, namaste. You are watching Mix Marks Info YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to make paneer butter masala. So we have ingredients for paneer, butter, and I have butter. So here is I have ginger and garlic, and I have onion, 2-piece onion. This is coriander, and I have 3-piece tomato, and I have chili, also some chili, and I have whole garam masala. In this I have cinnamon stick, cardamom, and I have cloves. So let's start to make paneer butter masala step by step. I'm going to marinate some chili powder. This is Kashmiri chili powder. Okay, and little bit turmeric powder for a color, nice color for paneer. So I'm going to marinate this one. So garam masala, also you can add garam masala, so it will be nice taste for paneer. So I'm going to add some little bit oil for marination. I'm always using olive oil, so little bit, so we can marinate nicely. So marinate all this. Let's start frying this paneer. So we have to make heat, medium heat. So one by one you can put like this paneer. So you can see the color, right? It's very nice color. It will be give for paneer butter masala, or you can say paneer curry also, butter paneer. Make it cook like 1 minute, so then we can turn it. We have ready almost. Some are gone, but we have almost ready this. This all whole garam masala we have done before, cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon stick. And now we're going to fry this one until brown. Onion. Fry. Our onion already brown. You can see it's brown, almost brown. So now in this moment we're going to add first tomato. We're going to add tomato. Lots of tomato you need for paneer butter masala or paneer curry. Making tomato based gravy, it means tomato, we need more tomato. So we're going to add more tomato. So let's heat flame high, medium heat, not very high, medium heat flame. So I'm going to add first 1 spoon and little more Kashmiri chili powder. This one Kashmiri chili powder, and I add some very little turmeric powder for nice matching color. For color, it's very nice for coloring. So I'm going to add chili powder 1 spoon, and I'm going to add coriander powder 1 spoon. So I'm going to add half teaspoon this one white rice garam masala. So this is our need for this paneer butter masala. Mix it well, cook like 15 minutes without adding water. So in this time you can add some butter, for if you like you can add some butter. So I'm going to add some butter. This butter I'm going to add. By the time, if you have some like green chili, you can add green chili. You can add coriander, fresh coriander you can add. So, you can cover it nicely. So, and make it your flame little slow. So let it cook around 5 minutes. Then we'll see. We have to add some water. I have another thing, main important things for this paneer butter masala or paneer masala. We have to add kasuri methi. Okay, so kasuri methi giving the nice flavor for this curry. I have a kasuri methi. This is the kasuri methi. It's a dry kasuri methi. So I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste, 2 spoons. Ginger garlic paste. Mix nicely and cook it. So ginger garlic paste will not smell raw. Now I am going to add some stuff. That will be okay. Masala almost ready. We're going to blend this masala in the blender and make it nice smoothie mixture. Look here, it's very nice. You can see. I'm going to put yogurt. After putting yogurt, cook some time. Okay. Then we are done. Paneer butter masala almost ready. We're going to blend this masala. We blend already. Blender. We blend. So we're going to pour here. Nice texture, you can see this. So now we're going to put here paneer. I'll wash a little bit and put some stuff. So I don't want to throw anything from here. Yeah. Now it's almost ready. Paneer masala. I have here matar, green pea. I'm going to add a green pea, and I have paneer before I fried. So paneer, coriander. I'm going to put coriander. So let's cook little bit, like a 5 minute. So all these things going inside the paneer or matar, so it will be nice and texture. So, and the last moment I have some butter. So this butter I'm going to add here. So nice flavor it will become for curry. Almost our paneer butter masala is ready. You can see color, it's very nice. I didn't add any artificial color. It's natural color from the turmeric and Kashmiri chili powder. From the Kashmiri chili powder, you can see nice color. Yeah, this is the paneer butter masala. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe the Chulo Recipe. I'm going to make more video about cooking, how to cook Indian, Chinese, continental, all around from the world. This is the paneer. The paneer butter masala we make. This is the one. You can see the color and texture is very nice.